How to speak English naturally. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about something that many English learners dream about. Speaking English naturally. Have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, I wish I could speak like that? Or maybe you understand English when you read it, but when it's time to speak, the words don't come out easily. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not alone. Many people feel the same way. The good news is that speaking English naturally is a skill. And like any skill, you can improve it with regular practice. The first thing I want to say is this. Don't try to speak perfect English. Try to communicate. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They stop speaking because they worry about grammar or pronunciation. But remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Another important tip is to think in English. This may sound difficult at first, but you can start with simple things. When you wake up in the morning, look around and think, I'm getting out of bed. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. These simple thoughts help your brain become comfortable with English. Listening is also very important. If you want to speak naturally, you need to hear natural English every day. Listen to podcasts. Watch YouTube videos. Listen to conversations. Watch movies or TV shows in English. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just keep listening. Little by little, your ears will become familiar with the language. One mistake many learners make is trying to memorize long lists of words. Learning vocabulary is important, but learning phrases is even better. Instead of learning the word hungry, learn the phrase, I'm really hungry. Instead of learning the word agree, learn the sentence, I completely agree. Learning complete phrases helps you speak more naturally. Reading aloud is another great habit. Choose a short article or story. Read it slowly. Then read it again with more confidence. Try to copy the speaker's rhythm and pronunciation. This improves both your speaking and your listening. Practice speaking every single day. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. You don't always need a partner. You can speak to yourself. Describe what you're doing. Talk about your day. Tell a story. The important thing is to keep your mouth moving. Recording yourself is also very helpful. At first, you may not enjoy hearing your own voice. Most people don't. But listening to yourself helps you notice your pronunciation and improve over time. Don't translate every sentence from your first language. Translation takes time and makes speaking slower. Instead, learn to connect ideas directly in English. It becomes easier with practice. Another important tip is to relax. Many learners become nervous when they speak English. Their minds go blank. They forget simple words. Take a deep breath. Speak slowly. You don't have to rush. Speaking clearly is much better than speaking quickly. Remember that communication is more important than speed. You should also learn expressions that people use every day. For example, that sounds great. I'm not sure. Let me think. It depends. I have no idea. These expressions are very common in everyday conversations and can make your English sound more natural. Don't compare yourself with other learners. Everyone learns at a different pace. Some people improve quickly. Others need more time. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Celebrate small improvements. Maybe today you learned 5 new words. Maybe you had your first conversation in English. Maybe you understood a podcast without subtitles. These are all signs of progress. Another wonderful way to improve is to surround yourself with English. Change your phone's language to English. Read simple books. Follow English-speaking YouTube channels. Write a short diary in English. The more English becomes part of your daily life, the more natural it will feel. Most importantly, enjoy the learning process. Don't think of English as a school subject. Think of it as a tool that helps you meet new people, travel, find better opportunities, watch movies, read books, and learn about the world. The more you enjoy learning, the easier it becomes. So remember these simple ideas. Speak every day. Listen every day. Read every day. Think in English. Don't fear mistakes. And never give up. One day, you'll look back and realize that speaking English has become natural for you. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. How long have you been learning English? What is the most difficult part of speaking English for you? Do you practice speaking every day? What helps you improve your English the most? And what is one goal you want to achieve with your English? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember that every conversation brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.